Are you ready to transform your career? PSD-RI's Safety Training Combo gives you global recognition and trusted expertise.
Our trainers are seasoned professionals with years of industry experience, guiding you every step of the way. You'll master OSHA 30, IOSH leading safety, crane and rigging safety, and work permit receiver training. These aren't just courses. They're industry-proven skills that employers value and respect worldwide. PSD-RI focuses on practical knowledge, case studies, and real-world training that prepare you for success. The mentors at PSD-RI not only taught me professional skills, but also helped me build confidence and prepared me to face the real world. Seats are limited. The next batch starts soon. Don't wait. Your future in safety begins today. Call PSD-RI or visit psd-ri.com now. PSD-RI, where knowledge builds leaders and leaders build success.